Hello there. Just want to give you an update on ChatBotCPA. What we did is we now can send you a file by entering an email. So, for example, with ChatBotCPA, we may say uh, send keyvan.shahrdar at gmail.com the Plaid link for Intellicus Corp. So here what I'm saying is, look, I want to send a Plaid link for Intellicus Corp to keyvan.shahrdar, and when I hit enter, the AI recognizes what I'm trying to say and it says an email has been sent. And then here we are in Gmail, and here's the email. So then you could actually look at this. Here, it's an email message that we sent out, and we can actually go into Plaid with this and import the information that we are looking for. Uh, so, um, so I think this is a great little feature, especially when any type of accountant is trying to get bank account information uh, for for the user. Uh, so something there to think about. And if you have any additional questions, don't hesitate to contact me, Kayvon Shardar. You could email me at kayvon.shardar@gmail.com, or you could call me at 318-453-8082. Thanks, and have a great day.